Good morning, good morning, everybody. Myself is Vanishri Talekoti, Commerce Department, Akamadevi Women's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bagalkot. Okay, today we will discuss about in the cost accounting subject. In that material control chapter, the topic which is economic order quantity. Okay, what do you mean by economic order quantity? Economic order quantity means the quantity of material to be ordered at one time is known as economic ordering quantity. Okay, or economic order quantity is order of quantity that minimize the total inventory cost, or it may be there should not be any overstock or understock. And EOQ is also called purchase of right quantity of material at right time and the right price. Okay, and it is the size of lot of to be purchased which is economically viable. In determining the EOQ, it is assumed that the cost of managing inventory is made up of solely two parts, that is ordering cost and carrying cost. Ordering cost is also called buying cost and carrying cost is nothing but a holding cost. Ordering cost or buying cost, it means it is the cost incurred ordering inventory from suppliers excluding the cost of purchase such as delivery cost or ordering processing cost. Okay, these costs are include cost of staff posted for ordering of goods, expenses incurred at the time of transportation of goods purchased, and inspection of cost of incoming material, and cost of stationery, typing, postage, and telephone charges, etc. These are the cost under the ordering cost. Then what do you mean by carrying cost? Carrying cost is nothing but a total cost of holding inventory. Holding inventory, what is the cost of holding inventory? That is nothing but a carrying cost. That carrying cost includes the cost of capital invested in inventories, then how much of capital is invested in inventories, that cost is not that cost, and cost of storage which could have been used for the other purposes, or loss of material due to the deterioration and obsolescence, and insurance costs, cost of spoilage in handling of material, these are, or warehousing cost, these are nothing but a carrying cost. Okay, total inventory cost. Total inventory cost is the sum of inventory acquisition cost, ordering cost, and holding cost. So the total inventory is comprises the following main cost, that is cost of purchase, order cost, or holding cost. Then what do you mean by ordering quantity? Means it is the number of material units added to inventory each time an order is placed. That is nothing but the ordering quantity. Okay. Then EOQ formula. Okay, EOQ is equal to under the root of 2 into annual usage in units and into ordering cost divided by annual carrying cost per unit. Okay, in short form, EOQ is equal to under the root of 2AO divided by C. 2AO is nothing but a 2 into annual usage in units into ordering cost divided by C. Okay, A means annual consumption, it given in a units, ordering cost it is given in a rupees, and carrying cost it is also given in a per unit. Okay, for example, annual usage is 8000 units, cost per unit is 0.30 per unit, rupees 0.30 per unit, buying cost rupees 7 per order. Storage and carrying cost as per percentage of the average inventory holding 15%, that is nothing but a carrying cost. Carrying cost is 15 carrying cost is 15% of the 0.30, because cost per unit is 0.30. In that 3.30 we should calculate the 15%, the answer should be 0.045. So in the formula, 2 into 8000 units into 7 divided by 0.045, then final answer should be 1578. Like that you have to calculate the EOQ. Thank you.